In November 2018, voters within the jurisdiction of the Mount Diablo Unified School District approved the School Safety and Classroom Improvement Measure, a $150 million general obligation bond. Measure J was supported because of its focus on student and campus safety. Improvements including security upgrades, replacement of outdated electrical, mechanical, and plumbing systems, and upgraded career, tech, and science, engineering, and technology classrooms and labs within our schools. Our community requested more than $1.3 billion in site improvements across our district, and Measure J provided the initial $150 million toward these projects. With the COVID pandemic diverting focus to everyday essential responsibilities, Measure J projects were put on hold. A facility master plan was approved by the Mount Diablo Unified School District Board in spring 2022. That prioritized the funding so key projects could move forward. Some of the projects have already started. LED lighting is being installed in classrooms district-wide, which makes for a calmer learning environment, is more energy efficient, and equipment lasts longer. Another benefit with the savings is notably lower utility costs, which in turn allows for more spending on other student needs. Kitchens at our middle schools are being remodeled with new appliances and hoods, as well as air conditioning, which will be extended into the multi-use rooms as well. Our energy efficiency projects are underway, which will better manage the controls of air conditioning and heating district-wide. Centralizing the controls enables the district to provide consistency across schools while putting sites on timers to minimize electrical use in the evenings, weekends, vacations, holidays, and during the summertime. Other Measure J safety and security improvements have started, like additional upgraded security cameras, no-climb fencing, and safety windows. If nothing else, COVID has reminded us that we rely a great deal on technology, and our infrastructure desperately needs attention. In order to count on robust connectivity and security for students and teachers in classrooms, but also from an operational business perspective, Measure J will fund the necessary wiring and reliable connectivity in every classroom, every office, every location in our district. Finally, almost all of our sites need remodernization, which includes refreshing of our classrooms, offices, and workspaces. Measure J will provide the initial funding that's needed for our schools with the greatest maintenance needs, like air conditioning, electrical, resurfaced blacktops, safety landscaping, flooring, cabinetry, indoor and outdoor painting, whiteboards, and classroom technology. Throughout this implementation process, our district is being fiscally responsible with the funds available. Future bonds will be needed to complete more of the facility modernization work district-wide.